good today, actually. Left a few puddles, as you can see in the opening clip. Starting to dry up now. Drone footage, but the fog and the clouds and the mountains is just incredible. It's hard to represent it in video, but one of the mountains was completely cloaked in clouds, and I figured I'd at least get it up here so you can see a little bit of it. You can see things, the foliage and everything looks a little greener. They're getting that drink of water they desperately need. I hope to shot some other videos, but I needed some good weather for that today, so here's a rainy day quick drone shot and the opening shot there. Let you see what's going on. Looking back towards the gate at LaPosasouth there. See the different groups out there still. Some people packed up and left, so the population has gone down just a little bit. Right now, as we speak, as I'm editing this video, the sun's trying to break out a little bit, so hopefully we get some sunny days coming up. But we're supposed to have some clouds. I had to run my generator to top off my batteries last night, and maybe a little bit today, but not too much. I'm still getting a little bit of solar even with the clouds, so. Got to meet some subscribers today. And actually someone from Toyota Motorhome Club. Hi Alex, appreciate you and your wife stopping by. It was really nice to meet you. Nice to meet some other full-timers out there. His wife's a traveling nurse, and I give her 2 thumbs up for doing that. But as always, I appreciate each and every one of you coming and watching my videos. Thanks for stopping by. Like, share, subscribe. Comment, let me know what you'd like to see next. Thank you. Talk to you later.